Okay, so we've arrived. A cat has been eating Paul's pastry.
I'm lunchless.
Where's the cat gone?
The cat's just gone for a little walks, but my pastry was on the top there. And every time I came to the van, I'm thinking, why is she sitting in the passenger seat?
Turns out, just put a hole in the pastry. Oh, there he is.
See, look, isn't she lovely?
Oh.
Well, look, yeah, you're trying to make up because you're eating my pastry. That's what it is, isn't it?
You're going to have to help us on the roof job now.
Yeah.
It's payback.
Payback.
Right, so we've got Paul's drone set up. Paul's got this new DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. You can see how mossy the roof is. It's a real mossy one, especially this side here. This side is the most mossy. So we've got the garage to do as well. There's the cat. Me and Paul have agreed that we're going to get the lower bits done first. This bit, and then we're going to work together because it's such a mossy roof. It's just nice to work together. So we're going to get this side done as well. And then there are some awkward bits because of the trees, setting up the scaffold, but nothing that we can't do. Dream team.
We are family.
First test match. Oh, he stalled it.
Let's do that again.
I think it's
Sorry?
left chemicals in it because it seemed like chemical came. Round 2.
Here we go. So now I know what it is. Yes, yes.
Not
this
easy
comes
at
from
all.
Years of experience. Let me show you. Petrol. No. We've got plenty of petrol. We've got a problem.
Right. Round 2.
Right.
Right. Since the last video, this is 30 minutes. Right, we're gonna get started. Let's go.
Got a sauce, bro.
Okay, so you can see just there where we're up to. We're doing really well actually. We've probably only been going for about maybe 15-20 minutes and we've already done quite a big square meterage there. We've just got the awkward bit in the corner now. Yeah, it's going really well. We had a problem with one of Paul's pressure washers. We realised the engine oil was low, so topped up with some oil and we're good to go. Once we finish this bit, we're going to set the scaffolds up. We're going to set the scaffolds up in this area here. The mossiest bit of the roof done today, hopefully. I think it's about to rain as well, so not looking forward to that. Good morning, Paul.
Morning, Owen. How's it going?
Yeah, good. You ready for day 2?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. What's your plan?
We're on the far side.
Yep.
Polish that little bit off.
Yeah.
Then come and join you on this last section.
Yeah.
Scaffs down, and then we're doing ground floor clearance.
Nice. What I'm thinking is you get your bit done,
Yeah.
reach over as far as you can,
Yep.
and then give me a shout, I'll come down, we can wheel your scaffold round
Yeah.
and get you into position,
Yeah.
and whatever I've done is just good progress, really.
Yeah. I don't know if you've got the reach for that top ridge.
Potentially.
If you have, and
Yeah.
you could do that first.
Yeah.
Then it means on the other side, before I come down, I can just there's no overflow.
Yeah. Okay, no, that's good, yeah. I have to end up rinsing this again.
It's been quite amazing to get the whole roof done, but the mossy was that bad, wasn't it?
Yeah. We're live. Okay, so the time is 8:38. Day 2 of this nice big project that we've got. You can see that we've done this section of roof. Gutters have been cleared, fireside. There are some really kind of stubborn bits of moss. I mean, you can see that we're kind of in the middle of the ecosystem. Like, there's so many trees around. I'm up here for today. Paul's just around the corner and he'll be wheeling round and helping me out soon. Right, let's give it a go. The roof is quite steep as well, so it's quite an awkward one, really.